Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello friends, today let's make a fruit basket. We will use orange, yellow, green, and pink clay. Here we go. I'm going to make my pink basket. Take some pink clay, knead it quite a lot. Now let's make our first fruit. Take some orange clay. We're going to make a little ball. And roll, 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 roll. Take another little piece to make another little ball, just like that. With a little piece of green, let's make two nice little straws and put one in each ball. With this tool, I will design two little leaves. Place the first one and the second one like this. Look how cute that looks! What's this fruit? Do you know what it is? It's an orange! Now let's take a little piece of yellow. And with the tips of our fingers, let's make a crescent. Like this. Make 3 more, just like this. Incredible! We now have a bunch of bananas. Let's carefully place them in the basket along with the other fruits. I think it's good to make the handle to carry my basket. Make a bigger line and then cut a piece. I'm going to leave it here and then put it on at the end. With a little piece of green clay, make a ball like this. Modeling it helps it become an avocado. You see, it looks a lot like it. Place it in the basket with the other fruits. Now let's take another piece of yellow clay. To complete the fruits, we will mold it a bit with the tips of our fingers. Look what it's turning into. What fruit do you think this is? Let's take a little piece of green clay and place a leaf on top. Look at that! We made a pear! Place it in our fruit basket. This fruit basket is looking delicious! Now let's place the handle to the basket. It's ready! Look, we have a bunch of bananas, oranges, an avocado, and a pear. Our basket is made from delicious fruits. Delicious! Stay well, my friends. I hope you liked the videos. Kisses, kisses. See you later.